How to fix Outriders keeps crashing on Windows. 1. Run Outriders Win64 shipping.exe as an administrator. Like this. Hint, to locate that. 1.1 Epic Games, it typically in C:\program files /Epic Games /Outriders. 1.2 Steam. Check the Browse Local Files option. 2. Update your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Adjust the in-game settings. Use the recommended parameters below: Windows mode, borderless or windowed. Desync, off. Enable FPS limit, on. FPS limit, between 30 and 60. 4. Enforce DX12, enter Force DX12 into Steam launch option. 5. Verify the integrity of game files in Steam.